Hey guys, Darren here, American Pool and Spa. You are on day 2 of our pool build. Yesterday you saw us digging the pool. Well, today we got the ground ready. We got the pool set. It's all level. It's all into place. Tanning ledges, everything. Right now we're waiting on concrete. We're going to pour the footer and also inside the tanning ledges and the benches. The reason we do that, it's going to lock it all in. It's going to make it sturdy, safe, and it's not going to move. We want to give a big shout out to our friends at Thoroughbred Concrete Pumping as well. They're going to help us to be able to pour the footer so much easier. With that, with the pool, one thing that you'll see on this pool is it is a variation of pools that we've done before. But it is a little different, like I said, as a variation. So on this one, it's got 2 benches on each side. And so you have the one step down that comes down and then to the main platform. But from there to get into the pool, they've designed something pretty cool. They got a step that goes down into the center, but it's not 2 steps that typically would be like stairs. You got a step down and a 4x4 area, and then you got another step that goes into the pool. So it's pretty cool. I've not ever seen one like this, but that's the wonderful things that Radiant allows customers to do, is take variations, take whatever is in their mind, and they can create it, or take variations of my pool, pools that we built before, even this pool that we're building for this customer. So stay tuned. We're going to pour the footer. That's going to be us for the day, and then you can keep watching us tomorrow. And as always, American Pool and Spa, leave it to us. Just swim and relax.